The same storm system that ripped the Midwest last night is now roaring into the Ohio Valley and parts of the Northeast. You're taking a live look at Gibson City, Illinois, where you can see some raindrops on the camera lens. A level 2 out of 5 severe weather risk is in place from Charleston, West Virginia, up into the Great Lakes. So let's talk a little bit more about what's going on with the line of storms that continues to push east. You can see it pushing heavy rain east of Chicago, and a lot of lightning associated with this over the last 15 minutes, more than 300 lightning strikes. You can find a lot of that energy, St. Louis down to Dallas. Taking a little bit closer piece by piece, we start this off to the north where we still have the last bit of rain for you across Michigan. You still have flood alerts that are in place, but this will be the last bit of moisture. Then you'll dry things out. Traveling farther south, you can see around the St. Louis area and points south toward Tennessee and into Kentucky. That's where you have numerous flashes of lightning. So still a lot of activity there. It's a loud start for you. Still this line trailing across parts of central Texas, so likely impacting Dallas and might have some impacts this morning on flights in and around the airports there. Severe storm threat highlighted across the Ohio Valley. So this includes major cities like Buffalo, Pittsburgh, Cleveland, and into Columbus today. Your biggest threats are going to be damaging wind gusts. That's what we're looking at, that threat for you today as this cold front continues to advance off to the east. So let's take a closer look at this. Here's by 9 a.m. You can see the showers and those storms stretching from Detroit, Fort Wayne down to Indianapolis. This continues to move into the Ohio Valley by this afternoon. That's when you can expect those storms. Again, some of these could potentially turn severe. And then watch as this continues to advance into West Virginia and into PA as we go through tonight. As the whole line continues to advance farther closer to the coast, it's going to lose a lot of its energy. So the closer that we get to the coast, I wouldn't be too concerned about severe storms at that point. And it's also going to be tapping into some colder air. This is a cold front after all, so it is doing some cold front things, ushering a different air mass into place. And so that moisture could transition to some snowflakes across the higher terrain of the interior, including for far northern New England and also across the Adirondacks. You're looking at the rainfall forecast still to come, and this is through tomorrow. A lot of this is going to be anywhere from about a half an inch to an inch. So not a whole lot here, but there could be that isolated pocket that picks up, say, 1 to 2 inches of rain. And then you're also seeing across the interior, New York State, Vermont into New Hampshire. That's where you have the chance for some snow across the higher terrain. Let's take a closer look at the Pittsburgh forecast for you, because this is one of those major cities where you do have that threat for severe storms later on today. You're waking up to some clouds this morning, so depending on how much you can get those clouds to break into this afternoon, that'll destabilize the atmosphere a little bit more, and then you bring in that threat for some showers and storms as we get into the afternoon. Take note of those temperatures. Highs today in the low 70s. We're going to get quite a drop in our temperatures as we head through tomorrow and into Monday. Temperatures likely in the 40s and 50s for highs.